out in Bali. So, you know how this goes. This is your girl, this is Baker, and welcome to Bali. We are at the resort. Udaya resort, thank you. And as you can see, it's like you walking into an apartment. We have a whole couch here. And then as you continue, you have your kitchenette where we can eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We also have this space here with a bunch of storage. And they have a ton of storage. Over here is the actual kitchen with some more storage. But you get a nice sized refrigerator. And we also have a microwave, so we can actually heat up food. Then you have your coffee maker, your water, which is all included. Oh, and we have a call. Hello? Yes?
Unscripted.
Yes.
Unscripted.
All right.
Make sure you like, subscribe.
Will do. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bags is going to be a little late because it is pouring down raining and we don't want our luggage wet, so I'm okay with that. Okay, back to the scheduling program. We have our sink, and that's it for the kitchen. You have a ton of storage under here too, so I'm not sure why you need this much storage. If you're gonna live here for a while, then pop cans, you can have it, I guess. But you also have plates, cups, and stuff in here, and some fruit. This is actually edible. I didn't think this was edible when I first walked in, but that's actually edible. And everything is wood, even the tissue box. Okay. What I like about this place the most, you come in and you don't feel like going upstairs because this is just downstairs. You have a full bathroom here. You have your sink with some more water. In here you have your different toiletries if you forgot anything. And in here, extra toilet paper with some storage spaces.
That's a nice boulder.
And they give you plenty of towels. But it's just not a sink. You have a full toilet and a full shower downstairs. Like, how cool is that? All right, let's continue. This is made out of wood as well. So you can lay out and just enjoy the scenery outside. As you see, it's kind of dark outside, so we're gonna say that for last. Let's go upstairs. Oh, we have a TV. I didn't forget this. I have a TV, and inside this thing is your TV remote and also your AC controller. We also have this. You want your bed made up or do not disturb. So you can always put that on. And once again, plenty of storage. Okay, now let's go upstairs. Follow me. It is really raining.
It's pouring.
So up here is our actual bedroom. So let's start in the bedroom first. Here is the bed. And I love how they set up. You have flowers on the actual bed. You have your TV, once again, your remote, more storage space. These come with the actual hotel. That's gonna be his. I'm gonna need it.
Not wearing those.
Those are mine. I called it. Y'all heard it first. You have a desk. some more coffee, more water. Now here you have your menu bar. However, look at me when I say this. It's not included. You gotta pay for it. Okay. But you do have a mini bar. If you choose to pay for it, do so. I thought this was pretty cool. So on here you can actually order your menu, your restaurant food, spa, all on this little cube. It's kind of neat. Then you also have another layout section. You just lay out up here. So this is our second bathroom. Look up here. Here we have a whole tub to enjoy. Cannot wait to use that. And then this bad boy, you have his and her sink with more towels, more vanity stuff, whatever you need. Your tissue, ample space, y'all. I mean, I don't even know what to do with all this space. This is gonna be your safe with some more space. All our luggage would literally fit right here. I mean, it's huge. And in here, you have robe set. You have a dryer. And then this is resort spa. That's it. What do we have here? We have plugins.
Aww.
So if you want to get your smell goods on, plug them in. And you also have an iron board and iron. So that actually works. And then we still have a shower. And also your toilet. Oh. So that's a weird sign. Please do not flush toilet paper. Kindly discard toilet paper and other sanitary products in the trash. I'm not sure if they mean a different type of paper, but that's the sign. Y'all saw it.
I've seen that before other places.
So we're gonna step outside for just a quick second. Those some high ceilings. So it is raining, as you can see, but this is our balcony, which is a pretty big balcony, and we can eat outside and just enjoy once it stops raining. So we're gonna close that. We're gonna head back downstairs. I'm glad we brought ponchos.
Good call, dude.
So saving the best for last, we also have our own pool room. And I know it's pretty dark, so we can take a tour tomorrow too. But this whole thing is ours, all of it. It's pretty deep. Well, folks, that's all I have. I showed you everything. This is our mini apartment for the next few days. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, set those notifications so you can follow me, Mrs. Baker, and also my husband, Mr. Baker, because we are living Lost Texans. Bye!